Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not loading pages on iPhone. If Safari won't load pages on your iPhone, the problem is often caused by your internet connection, Safari settings, or a temporary software issue. So try these fixes. So first is to check your internet connection. So close Safari and go to settings. Now in here, scroll down and go to Wi-Fi. Then check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi Fi and cellular data if possible. Then you can go back and you can turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off and see if that works. You can also open another app like email or YouTube to see if the internet works. Then go back to Safari and see if that works. Next is to force close Safari. So swipe up from the bottom, then swipe Safari away, just like so, and reopen Safari and see if that works. Next is to reload the web page. So tap the reload button in the address bar, or you can pull down on the page to refresh it, just like so, or click the reload button at the bottom, then wait for it to reload and see if that works. Next is to clear Safari history and website data. So open your phone settings, then scroll down to the bottom and go to apps. Then from here, look for Safari and open it. Now scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Select that. So choose a time frame at the top. You can choose all history, then toggle close all tabs, then select clear history at the bottom to confirm the action. So once done, go back to Safari and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So go to your settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down to general. Then from here, go to software update. Then install any available update. So once updated, go back to Safari and see if that works. And that's it.